Hello, my name is Keir Lewis. I'm the Respiratory and Clinical Lead and Sleep Apnea Consultant at Athro University Health Board. You may have heard through social media, or through alerts, or through company notifications that there's a small risk with a lining on certain machines, inside machines, that can cause chemicals or particles to be pushed into your CPAP or NRV machine circuit. Please believe us, we've looked at this risk is tiny. We think less than 3 per 10,000 people, and we haven't had any reports that have been done in the UK yet. And even then, the risk is only there if you use certain detergents or have asthma or other conditions. However, the company are in a process now of replacing this lining, and in the shorter term, as Athro University Health Board, we are looking to put an extra filter in the machines for you. This is not mandatory, but we recommend it as an extra layer of safety for you whilst we continue to work with the manufacturers and government to replace or repair these machines.